Hello and welcome to the demonstration video on the additional drawer options offered by the new and improved StBrainDovetail.com website. Once you've started a new quote and entered in all of your global options, you add your first line, add in a quantity, a width, a depth, and a height. Once you tab over or click off of that, you're going to see all the additional drawer options. I've already gone over the undermount slide options and the slide, so I'm going to start with our drawer front options right here. This has been divided into three categories. The first one is our show front options, so where you can add a standard scoop, add a narrow scoop, add a show front, so if you're not going to be adding a drawer front to your drawer, you'd want to select this option, and finally a custom scoop option. If you are ordering a custom scoop option, you will have the option to upload a drawing or a picture of the dimensioning of the custom scoop that you'd like. You would need to provide that for us in order to get this put on the production schedule. The next category are our side ears. These are what we used to call our lip drawers. We changed the name to side ears because it just gives a little better description as to what you're actually ordering. We offer these in 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and 7/16. Keep in mind that these are an extension of your drawer. As you can see in the drawing, they extend the front of your drawer. So if you order a 20-inch wide drawer, you order an 1/8 inch ear, the front of your drawer is actually going to be a 1/4 of an inch larger. And the last category are our bottom lip drawers. This is actually an extension of the bottom of your drawer. Again, we offer it in 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and 5/8. Keep in mind that when you do order a lip drawer, the heights of your drawers are restricted to the even inch, 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, or 3/8. And also, if you're ordering it with a 3/8 bottom, you will not be able to order it with the even inch. So you'll have just the 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, and 3/8. The reason we've divided these up into three categories is it allows you to purchase multiple options. So if you wanted a standard scoop and that's all you wanted, you'd simply click confirm, or you can get a standard scoop with an 1/8 inch side ear and an 1/8 inch bottom lip, or any combination of those. You simply click confirm, it gets added directly to your order, and the pricing goes right over into the options column. The next column is the support rail. Any drawer over 34 inches wide is going to automatically get a support rail, but if you know your client's going to be putting pots and pans in something and you want a bit more support for that bottom, you can simply click the support rail. It's going to add a support rail to the bottom of the drawer that does not interfere with any slides, and nobody will see it or anything. Just gives a little bit more support to that bottom. The next thing we're going to go over are our file slot drawers. What we've added to our file slot drawers now is giving you the ability to justify the file bars to the left or the right of your drawer when you select a standard file slot layout. So a standard file slot layout simply means that the bars are going to be running from the front to the back in the drawer. If your drawer is in between 14 1/4 and a 16 1/4, that's the minimum and maximum for this particular item. We're going to center the bars in the drawer. If your drawer is larger than that, then you get the ability to either justify it to the left or justify it to the right. And it goes down just like that throughout the rest of these. So our standard lettered and legal, giving your client the option to do letter files or legal files. You can do the one in the center, one on the left, and one on the right. And finally, even with legal files, standard legal, one in the center, one on the left, and one on the right. We do still offer our double row of standard letters, and also our double row of standard letter and legal. Those do not get justified to the left or the right because they're so big. We'll always just center them inside the drawer. And finally, our lateral file bars have stayed the same. They'll always be justified to the front of the drawer. And once again, you can only select one of those, so you just simply select one. It would add it directly to your order and add the options, or add the price over to the option category. Next, we're going to go over our organizers and dividers. I've already gone over the drawer central organizers in another video, so you can look for that for this particular item. Today we're only going to go over the integral divider drawers and our adjustable dividers. First, our integral dividers. Our standard dividers, or the SEs, that E stands for equal, so our standard dividers are going to run from the front to the back with equal spaces. And so you can see all the different equal spaces in this particular option. SC, or standard custom, means that you will have the ability to give us a drawing as to where you want that particular divider to be, and you can do up to 6 dividers. Finally, LE stands for lateral equal, lateral meaning the divider is going to be running to the left to the right. And LC again is a custom divider that you will need to provide a drawing with dimensioning as to where you want that to be. You will need to again provide that before we can actually put your order on the on the production schedule. And we offer an array of grid divider drawers. Again, these are with equal spaces, and then you could do a grid divider with custom spaces as well. Again, you'd have to provide a drawing. Simply select the one that you want, see the price right there, and hit select. It adds it directly to your order. Next, we're going to go over our adjustable dividers. The adjustable dividers is a new thing for us. We did have it at the end of our old website, and they're much easier to order now. So these, I'm going to show you a picture of what these actually can look like. These actually have little pilot holes drilled and come with pins and grooves set in the dividers that you can actually adjust these from the left or the right or the front and the back, whichever one you choose. Again, the ordering process for these is really similar to the integral dividers. Simply select the number of dividers that you want, either the standard, meaning running front to back, or the lateral, running left to right. Again, simply see the price right there. This divider will be adjustable to the front to the back of the drawer. And again, it adds it directly to your order with the option on there. The final column there is our logo column. If you have not uploaded a logo to your customer profile page, you will not see this column. But if you have uploaded a logo and you want us to print that, engrave that logo into the inside left front of your drawer, you'd simply click that checkbox and we will print that logo for you. Again, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us if there's anything we can do, because we're here to help. Thanks.